All right, everybody's talking about the new DJI Pocket 4, and this is why I'm sticking with my Pocket 3, for now anyway. Okay, so why the tool that works beats the tool that's the newest, and how I used mine to solve a real business problem that I had last week. My sister runs Coastal Kennels here in Rehoboth Beach. It's a dog boarding facility that she needed a virtual tour through. Something that would let people see the whole space without actually having to be there. So what I did is I grabbed my Pocket 3 and I threw it on a selfie stick and I made it look like a drone flying through the entire facility. Now, one of the cool things you can do is put this in FPV mode and it looks like a drone flying. But the footage came out exactly how we needed it. The clients loved it. The patrons love it. Job done. Now, could I go buy the Pocket 3 right now? Absolutely. Better specs, newer features. But here's the thing. The Pocket 3, it did the job. The client got what they needed. 20 years in traffic safety and working in the field has taught me something about tools. So you use what works until it doesn't work. But running multiple businesses now has confirmed that lesson for me. I have a real problem with gear acquisition syndrome, GAS, if you've never heard of it. I like to have the newest, best, shiniest thing out there, but you don't have to. And I have learned that owning multiple businesses, it's important that you don't go out and buy the latest and greatest if you still have the tool that's working well for you. So the internet wants you to believe that the gear you have isn't good enough. Your camera, your laptop, current setup, if it's creating, you're getting the results, it's working. I see people spending more time researching the upgrades than actually using the tools that they currently have. I was one of them. And the Pocket 3 has its limitations, don't get me wrong, but it solved the problem I had in front of me. And honestly, that's more valuable than the best camera sitting in a box on your shelf or sitting in your layaway cart or whatever while you're still making payments on it. So here's how I think about gear decisions now. Can it do the job that I need today? If yes, then I'm going to use it. If no, then I'm going to upgrade it. The Pocket 4 has features that I don't need for the work that I'm actually doing. I mean, even the Pocket 3 has features that I haven't used yet. But when that changes, I'll change. But not before then. Here's the key takeaway. So stop chasing upgrades. Start using what you actually have. That's how you can actually build something. So what gear are you sitting on right now that could solve a problem you have today? Go out and use it. Catch y'all later.